called Life is Full of Surprises. Now Suyash has a big smile on his face because that was not supposed to be my topic. I didn't know what to put in, so he put in for me. So thank you, Suyash. Okay, how many of us agree that life is full of surprises?
On birthday, kabhi kabhi.
So, can anybody share their surprises with us today?
I was expecting a few more people to attend.
That's So, is life full of surprises, or probably life is a surprise? I just took it from Three Idiots. Like, it's difficult to be born, and it's amazing that today we are here. We have this gift of life. So it's again a surprise. That didn't go well. I'm trying to be as funny as I can. Okay, we can put in some economic aspect into it. We can look at life from a macro level and a micro level. At macro level, you have planets. It's a surprise how they go around, how the forces of gravitation react. And at micro level, probably at the level of the world, it's a surprise how some countries are able to do well, some are like Africa, they are reeling under poverty. And a country like ours is doing so well today that people in the West, they think that it's a surprise. But actually it's been the hard work over the years that has put us in this position. So actually I'm trying to involve the audience. I'm not being able to do that. So please can more of you come up with some examples, durations where you feel that you got surprised.
Okay, this thing happened today morning. Generally, we have Anshul Jalota in the market planning class, okay? And he takes attendance at 9:02. After that, he does not give attendance. So today I came in at 9:05. I did not attend his class. And he gave attendance to her. He did not take attendance. I guess that was a very big surprise.
Anybody else? Mohit?
Well, the surprise was when I took admission to NMIMS, this guy happened to be my flatmate, and as a coincidence, he was my classmate for 4 years, so that was a pleasant surprise for me.
So he spoke of pleasant surprise, but surprises always are not pleasant. So today we have Commonwealth Games happening in our country, but we had bridges falling off, just like pack of cards. So that was not a pleasant surprise. Sachin Tendulkar making a double century suddenly. Your views on it? Does it surprise you?
No, it didn't.
It doesn't, right? Because Sachin is habitual. And one of the examples that comes to my mind is of an auto driver. How he surprises, at least me, the sense of direction that he has, the way he's able to help you reach your destination. You know? That's a surprise. Yes, sir. Please. Okay, I have some point, please. Essentially, why do we get surprised?
Not expecting something.
Yeah, we're not expecting something. Why are we not expecting something? Why are we not expecting something?
See, our expectations are a result of our previous or past
Experiences. So sometimes what happens is we are too much into our lives that we forget to observe what is happening around us. Like if I take my example, I still remember the days when I was in Shimla. I used to take out time. I used to sit at the stair of the town hall and I used to just watch the world go by. I used to observe how the world is moving around, how people are, going about doing their work. So I was, in a way, trying to explore how things are happening. Today I am so much involved in NBA and all these jargons and all this life that I don't get surprised that easily. So I'm looking for those reasons when I'll get surprised. And if I close my eyes today, I can still remember the fresh paint of my school's wooden door, green paint, because I could feel it at that point of time. But today I have become immune, I've become insensitive. So probably we are too much into our lives that we don't observe things. That's why we get surprised very easily.
In fact, I think the more you observe, the more you are not immune to getting surprised. Because you know what we do? We observe and we catalog and we make out, you know, all that expectation charts and everything. And that at one point of time you will see that all your expectations, all your observations, they turn out to nothing. One big event happens and it changes everything. So that is by doing more and more observation and studying and cataloging, researching, you are getting more vulnerable to being surprised actually. Piyush.
Thanks, Piyush. And another question that I have for the audience is, has India forgotten to get surprised? I mean, there was a time when we were a country that was known for its, civilization, it was known for its great wealth, it was known for people who were working hard. Today, there's a lot of corruption, there's a lot of mismanagement of funds, CWG, so much of things, so much of controversy. So have we forgotten to surprise ourselves?
That is
I think we still.
we were known for other things and now we are not known for
Okay,
that.
let's put it this way, that have we forgotten ourselves? Have we forgotten to pleasantly surprise ourselves?
So we are doing many.
Still, yeah, exactly. I think
Actually,
India is
recently
the
on the Commonwealth Games, the opening ceremony, I was pleasantly surprised by how I felt when I saw the ceremony. I actually felt patriotic and stuff, and I wouldn't expect that normally.
But when you see people around, the apathy around, how do you feel? Do you feel surprised or you feel angry?
Feel angry, obviously.
So if you still see the large perspective, have we lost out on that accountability as an individual?
So,
You feel?
like most of the people feel angry. So you think that everyone should be angry and
No.
rather means the other word that you used is apathy, right? So then most of us would be apathetic about what's happening. Then how can we expect surprises? Two words that you use, angry or apathy, right? I'm just surprising you. You use two words. Either you can be angry or you have apathy, right?
No, when you see apathy around,
Yeah.
so do you get angry? Yeah, you don't. Okay, fine. But like Manav said, he gets angry. So what I feel is my perception that have we lost out on that accountability as individuals? Accountability in the sense, very small things that we do. I mean, coming in time to the class. I mean, all these things, they sound pretty organization behavior sort of thing. But
Do you think being organized
I feel so.
is like something
Being organized is you doing your job well, I doing my job well. Everybody
we should not to get surprises.
We should do that so that we are able to synergize and we are able
Then
to
there will be no
come to
surprise.
results. So we are able to get good results.
So, like
You try to get pleasantly surprised.
right now you said that not all surprises should be pleasant.
I didn't say that also.
Fine.
But that's the point I was trying to make. On that note, I have a small poem that I'd like to share.
What a surprise.
I had my discussion with that. Okay, it goes like this. सर कटा सकते हैं लेकिन सर झुका सकते नहीं.
तूने लिखा है?
मुश्किलों का दायरा बढ़ चला बढ़ता रहा. उम्मीदों की ढाल से ये दिल हरदम लड़ता रहा. जीत है अब चाह में, है जुनून हर राह में. आंख है जलते अंगारे, बारूद है इन बाहों में. हाथ दोस्ती का मिला सकते हैं, उठा सकते नहीं. सर कटा सकते हैं लेकिन सर झुका सकते नहीं. है साथ सदा तन्हाई का, है भागती परछाई भी. है नौजवान ये खून इतना, लिख दे जो ना हो स्याही भी. हिमालय के ऊंचे पर्वत, हम हैं हिंद महासागर की ऊंची लहरें, जोड़ती हैं जो गंगा से यमुना, हम हैं वो बदमस्त नहरें। पॉज। बात बन के एक और तालाब में समा सकते नहीं, सर कटा सकते हैं लेकिन सर झुका सकते हैं।